how to crawl. And Beckett does a great job. Well, that was surprising. Did Finn make that squeak? Did he make that toy squeak? Poor Beckett's skin all broken out because we tried putting him back on dairy. It didn't work, did it? Oh, Finn thinks that ledge looks kind of neat. Another month or two, you're probably going to be really grabbing for things like that, huh? Is it hard to reach? Maybe go back for the elephant? Oh. Hi, buddy. Hi. Watch your head, buddy. Kind of rocking dangerously close to that ledge. You're making me nervous. Oh, you okay? You alright? Good. Okay, I'm going to come move you back though, okay? Alright.